Well, hi. How can we not talk about corn, especially after it got destroyed today? We had another over 10-cent sell-off. Look, we've got a USDA report tomorrow. It's going to be difficult. Again, I've talked about this and a lot of other things I've commented on, but we've got a report. We're going to get a number tomorrow, and we're going to trade that number, whatever that number may be. Now, historically speaking, we've traded lower after the May report, and maybe that's kind of snuck in here because we had some negative price action today. But in the end, look, the funds are still in control. They're short and they're pressing and they're winning. Now they've been wrong, say for the last 2 years, which has been interesting to see. But this time they've kind of got everybody on the run and they're kind of pressing and pressing and pressing. And I think they probably know, like I know, that this May report tends to trade lower after the report. And that's why I think that there hasn't been really any good reason for them to run. Now we could get something that surprises everybody out of the report tomorrow, and if we do see something surprising that is bullish, yes, you could see those funds start to eat themselves alive on the way out and cannibalize themselves, because that is exactly what you need to have something to really start a rally. Now recently we've held the lows, right? So even though corn doesn't look that great, and we have pressed it and the funds have pressed it, if you're a bull, you're going to be kind of trying to look up and say in July corn to the 370-ish, 375-ish area, and then maybe a tad higher after that to kind of grasp at something to hang on to, because it has been a tough road to hoe, and we have seen these funds still punish us every time we've seen the market trade a little higher. So remember, if you really want to see corn move higher, it's going to be you've got two events that are, I think right now, that could make that happen. Barring any surprise USDA number, and it's number one going to be a deal with China. How do you not talk about China? China's got a C just like commodities. And number two, Mother Nature, but that'll take a little bit longer to really come to fruition. So those two things, one can happen sooner than the other, but those are things I think if you're a bull, you're going to try to hang your hat on. So let's see what tomorrow brings. Have a good evening.